In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create sign-up forms for Shopify in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are inside, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sign Up Forms. This is where you can create and manage the forms that collect subscriber information for your store. Next, click Create Sign-up Form. If you already see a template that fits your needs, you can select that instead. After that, give your form a clear name so it is easy to identify later. Then choose your Shopify subscriber list from the drop-down menu. This is the list where new signups will be added, so make sure you select the correct one before moving on. When that is done, click Save and Continue. You will now be taken into the Form Builder. Here you can customize the design elements of your sign-up form. This includes the appearance, layout, and overall style so it matches your brand and store experience. Take a moment to make sure everything looks clean and easy for visitors to understand. Once your design is ready, click the Targeting and Behavior tab on the left panel. In this section, set the form type to pop-up. Then configure your display timing triggers. This controls when the pop-up appears to visitors, so choose settings that fit the experience you want to create. After your targeting and behavior settings are in place, click Publish. Now open your Shopify admin in a separate tab. Keeping Klaviyo open in another tab can make this part easier to follow. Inside Shopify, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your active theme and click the Customize button next to it. When the theme editor opens, look to the far left vertical sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This area lets you enable integrations that connect apps directly to your storefront. Find Klaviyo in the list and toggle the switch to on. This step is important because it allows your published sign-up form to actually appear on your Shopify store. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the Shopify theme editor. That makes your changes live. At this point, your Klaviyo sign-up form should be created, connected to your Shopify subscriber list, and enabled on your storefront through App Embeds. That covers everything you need to know.